This is Automotive's range of battery clips. YM1291. Fully insulated battery clamp wire fuse disc terminal. YM1055. Fully insulated battery clamp car charger mother. YM1065. Semi-insulated battery clamp car socket wire set. YM1061. Semi-insulated battery clamp cigarette lighter receptacle. YM1299. Fully insulated battery clamp DC plug cable. The wire specs and lengths in this product line are custom made for various devices, allowing quick power access. Widely used in various fields including vehicles, equipment, marine, and home applications. Automotive also provides lighting and power solutions.